Well, hey everybody. Well, being kind of new to this YouTube tech channel stuff and not being new to tech, been dealing with it all my life, but I wanted a NAS. So I bought the UGREEN DH2300 and I started making this video on putting it together and operation and everything else. And quite frankly, I wasn't very happy with it because there's so many out there, and UGREEN really did a good blitz on getting their product out there to all the different creators, and you can go just about every single creator out there and you can see their video on the NAS that they got from UGREEN. I paid for this myself. What I was looking for is I wanted to set up me some type of Plex server or something like that because I am sick and tired. Let me say that again. I am sick and tired of paying for all these streaming services. It is getting ridiculous, and then they come in and go out. I've paid for movies on different streaming services. They're supposed to have it forever, and it's gone. Not a bunch, but a few. Again, that was my hard-earned money. Where did it go? Now, from the big ones, from like Apple and stuff, no problem at all. But then some of the other streaming services that I paid, got a few movies through, just kind of went under, just gone. So all those movies that I purchased with it, nothing. Now they do have some services that kind of combined into one, like Movies Anywhere, that you can kind of put 2 or 3 different movies or places where you purchase movies and put it into one. And those are great. That is fantastic. But I kind of wanted something of my own and something to do. So I set up my UGREEN NAS and everything worked great. No problem at all. So then I said, okay, now what do I got to do to make my own videos and make my own Plex server? Well, I got to looking into it and I couldn't even find how to install Plex. And I think with this, the basic small NAS, I don't think you can. But then I got to looking at their theater app and I said, what's this? So I watched a couple of videos on YouTube, bought me a burner, downloaded the software. And I'm not going to tell you what that is. Go look for yourself because these things are very finicky, but they do work. And there's some good content creators out there that walk you through step by step on how to do it. I'm a little nervous about doing that because I don't want to lead anybody in the wrong direction, because sometimes these burners work for a while and then they get some kind of software update and then they stop. So I don't want to really get into that just yet. I don't feel that confident in explaining that. The one I have works, and I've been able to copy some of the movies that I already own in hard copies, and I got them on my NAS. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to set this up in front of my TV and I'm going to show you what I've been able to do and what it looks like. So instead of doing a regular old video on the UGREEN NAS, I want to do a video on showing you what the capabilities of the theater app in the UGREEN NAS is capable of. And it looks absolutely fantastic, and I was absolutely blown away. And I think you will be too. So let's go check out what's on the TV. Be right back. Hey everybody, we're back. Now this is my brand new TCL QM8L mini LED TV. So downloaded the UGREEN app. So when you go to the UGREEN app, it pulls up your theater, and then you go to theater, and look at there. Now this, I didn't put any of this artwork in there. I didn't do anything. All I did was burn the movie to a file and load it into the NAS. And we got all the information that goes with it. My wife really likes Harry Potter, by the way. Ready Player One, great movie. Obviously, I like all the superheroes and stuff like that. So when you look at all the apps, so we go to the, so here's all the movies that I have downloaded. Of course, I'm on an effort to go get more, and because just like everybody else, I got rid of all my hard copies, so now I need to go buy them again. And of course, it has some of my personal videos on there too. But so when you go to the actual movie itself, it'll give you the characters, or it'll give you the cast. I think that's pretty cool. Let's go to the Matrix. one of the greatest movies of all time. I don't agree with that 8.2 rating. I think that's bull crap. But anyway, so we go down here, look at all the different casts, even for that. So we check out a newer movie listed, Deadpool and Wolverine, 7.6. That might be generous, but anyway. Here's all the cast for that. I mean, wonderful, absolutely wonderful theater app on the standard UGREEN NAS. Not having to add another app, not having to download anything to play it. It just works. And I think that is amazing. The quality's fine. You're basically, what I'm doing has been ripping the Blu-rays. Quality's good enough. I mean, it's not 4K, but with the upscaling on the TV, it looks great. You can stream it on your mobile device, your iPad, your iPhone, your Android tablet, your Android phone. It all works. Okay. Thank you for indulging me for a minute. Again, not sponsored by UGREEN. I bought this with my own money. So what I got was the DH2300 UGREEN NAS. Been fantastic. And I got two 8 terabyte drives. That's all I got. So got those in RAID configuration. So that way I only have 8 terabytes, but I got a backup drive that keeps everything safe. And it's fantastic. If you want to go a little bit bigger and get the 4-bay UGREEN NAS, be fantastic. Super happy with them. They have absolutely come on the scene. In my opinion, knock Synology off the pedestal, because Synology, we won't get into that right now, but needless to say, UGREEN's done a great job for me. I'm super duper happy with it. Now I'm absolutely scouring the Facebook marketplace to try to find me some Blu-rays to get my old collection back, so that way I can put them on my NAS. Hope you will too. But again, not sponsored. Check it out. There'll be links down in the description, and you can go check out the NAS for yourself. Most of the time, you can find this $199 or less. Sometimes I've seen it for, I think, $178, maybe the lowest I've seen it. I'm not sure, but do your price check. Make sure you get a good deal. But even for $199, the UGREEN NAS is a great deal. Again, my own money, I think it's worth it. You should get one too. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and ring that bell and you get notified of the next video that I put out. I hope you keep checking the channel out. We got a bunch of budget tech series videos out there right now, going over the brand new ON tablet that just came out. We got some other stuff going on, and of course my brand new TCL QM8L TV. That's a mouthful. But I'm going to be doing a series of videos on it to let people know about that new TV that just come out. And keep back checking with us, and we'll have some more tech and some more updates and some more unboxings and some more, a little bit of everything. So until next time, we'll see.